Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice exponential equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 plus 4 into 3 to the power of x is equals to 15. So what shall we do? We shall begin by this term here. We are going to break down this 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 using this exponential rule. If you have a to the power of m plus n, is the same as writing a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we are going to apply this rule for this case here. So we are going to write 3 to the power of 2x times 3 to the power of 1 plus 4 into 3 to the power of x is equals to 15. Okay, our next step, so this 3 to the power of 1 is 3. So 3 into, we are going to exchange these exponents here according to one law of exponential rule. So this will be 3 to the power of x, all this squared, plus 4 into 3 to the power of x is equals to 15, right? So our next step, you can see we form 3 to the power of x to be common. So we shall say let 3 to the power of x be y. So where there is 3 to the power of x, we are substituting it with y. So this will be 3, this is y, so y squared plus 4, this is y, 4y. We are going to bring 15 to our left hand side. So this will be negative 15 is equals to 0. So we formed a quadratic equation. So this is a quadratic equation. We can solve it using factorization method, whereby our sum is the coefficient of y, which is 4. Our product, we are taking the coefficient of y squared, which is 3, times our constant here, c, which is negative 15. So 3 times negative 15, this gives us negative 45. So we shall look for two numbers. When we multiply them both, we are getting negative 45. When we add them, we are getting 4. So these two numbers are 9 and negative 5. So we are going to substitute these numbers in our quadratic equation. So this will be 3y squared plus 9y minus 5y minus 15 is equals to 0. Okay, we shall then group. This is our first term, this is our second term. So we are going to factor out our common factor here, which is 3y. So this will be 3y into y plus 3 bracket. We are going to factor our common factor here, which is negative 5. So this will be y plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, so our next step, y plus 3 is common. So we are going to pick y plus 3 bracket, pick what is left outside the bracket. So 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. So we are going to have two solutions here. We'll equate this with 0 and equate this with 0. Y plus 3 is equals to 0. 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. So to get the value of y, we shall take 3 to the other side. So y is equals to negative 3. And on this side, we are going to take negative 5 to the other side. So 3y is equals to 5. To get the value of y, divide by 3 on both sides. So this will cancel. Y is equals to 5 over 3. So we have two values of y. Y is equals to negative 3 and y is equals to 5 over 3. Remember we had said let 3 to the power of x be y. And we have y as negative 3 and 5 over 3. So 3 to the power of x is equals to negative 3. And on the other side, 3 to the power of x is equals to 5 over 3. So 3 to the power of x is equals to negative 3. So 3 to any number, 3 to the power of any number should give us positive. But this side is giving us negative. So positive cannot be equal to negative. So we are going to reject this. So we are left out with 3 to the power of x is equals to 5 over 3. So we shall introduce logs. So this will be log 3 to the power of x is equals to log 5 over 3. Right? So our next step is to bring this power here before the log. So x log 3 is equals to log 5 over 3. Our next step is to divide both sides by log 3 so that we can remain with x. So divide by log 3, divide by log 3. So this and this will cancel. X is equals to log 5 over 3 over log 3. So we are going to use this rule of logarithm, whereby if you have log m over n is equals to log m minus log n. So we are going to apply this rule over here, whereby x is equals to log 5 minus log 3 over log 3. So x is equals to log 5, which is 0.699 minus log 3 gives us 0.477 over log 3, which is 0.477. So x is equals to, if you evaluate this, you are getting 0.222 over 0.477. So if you solve this, x is equals to 0.465, and this is the value of x. So x is equals to 0.465. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.